Welcome to South Beach Web Design and Internet Marketing. How's your business going? Could you be doing better? If you do any kind of advertising, there's a ton of options where to invest. Have you heard about this thing called the World Wide Web? It's become pretty trendy over the last few years, and maybe it's time you jumped headfirst into it. Question is, where should you start? Internet marketing is so broad and there are so many experts telling you to do this or that, but what makes the most financial sense? Come down to South Beach, web marketing that is, and we'll tell you straight up what makes the most sense for your business. What social media platform is going to get you the best results? First thing that needs to be done is analyze your target customer and see where they spend their time online. Our main goal is to engage your prospect or customer with as many relevant media messages as possible. Photos, videos, reports, infographics, and more. What you want to do with social media is engage and gently guide people back to your website. Here is where they can contact you or buy your product, of course. Share their experience with friends and family. Social media is not rocket science, but you need an agency that will research, analyze, and implement what is best for your business. Find a company you can trust who will talk in your voice. For more information, visit our website at www.southbeachwebmarketing.com or call us at 305-972-3474 now.